One of my favorite things is definitely composting. When you're composting, if you do want to have a good bed of compost, it's good to think of half carbon, half nitrogen. So your nitrogen comes from all your green kitchen scraps, your coffee grinds, your leftover vegetables, any perished vegetables or fruit. Those are your nitrogens. So you want half nitrogen and half carbon. Where does your carbon come from? Well, one of the ways is from egg cartons. And it's so easy to keep these left over in your kitchen. And so what I do is when I have my kitchen composter, most of the things that you're putting in there are obviously kitchen scraps. So that's where your nitrogen's coming. So every time I put kitchen scraps into my composter, I take one of my egg cartons and I break it up and I put in there as well. And that way, without thinking about it, every time I put nitrogen in, I put carbon, and it's basically half and half. So it's a simple way to think, how am I going to do the half and half rule? And one of my favorite things is composting. And I hope you have a great day, and I hope you like this video. Bye.